Hey you guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I completed this hot cocoa bar. I try to do one for the boys every year and it is a family tradition in our home. So if you'd like to know how I did this, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I did was, of course, wipe down the counter and the corner where I was going to do the cocoa bar. So for the items that you're going to need, I picked up most of my things from the Target store. So I grabbed some to-go hot cups, some chocolate-filled wafers. I also grabbed some marshmallow bits, and I grabbed also the mini size marshmallows just so the boys could have a little bit of variety. And then I picked up some chocolate dipped pretzels and of course some chocolate covered spoons. And then I also picked up some festive straws. Again, everything from Target store. I grabbed this cute little sign. I can't remember where I got it, but I think it was from Hobby Lobby. Some candy canes, and then of course some spoons also for them to put the sprinkles on top of, and then also for them to mix their hot chocolate with. And then I picked up all of these sprinkles, and these I did grab from Hobby Lobby. And then the last thing that I got was some napkins and then a placemat to put everything on top of. So I started off by putting the placemat at the bottom, and the reason I grabbed this placemat was because I felt like it just needed a little pop. So I put that on the bottom of the tier tray. These are actually from the Target dollar spot from last year, and then I used those to put the pretzels and the spoons inside of them. And then on the other one, I used it for the candy canes. So I picked up these cute little canisters from Hobby Lobby, and I used one for the hot cocoa, and then I used the other one for the marshmallows. And then I also picked up some mini size containers. These are also from Hobby Lobby, and I put the sprinkles inside of them. I just felt like it looked better, and it would be easier for the boys to grab the sprinkles out of these with their little spoons. These I also reused from last year. These are from the Dollar Tree, and I know you can still find them because I went the other day and saw them. And I used these to put the straws inside. And these cute little wooden spoons I also picked up from Hobby Lobby. I wanted to add something to the backsplash where the cocoa bar was going to be, so I picked up these lights. These are from the Target dollar spot. They were, I believe, $5. So I started off with the tier tray, and the jars that I picked up from Hobby Lobby fit perfectly both on the bottom and on top of the tray, so I was really happy about that. And I picked up this red cake stand. I want to say I had it from last year also, or it was from Valentine's Day from the Target dollar spot last year. I can't remember, but I had it already, and I used that for the coffee cups and then to place the little canisters that I had the pretzels and the spoons inside of. This coffee mug is also from last year, but I picked it up at the Dollar Tree, and I know they have different types of Christmas mugs there. And this little Santa I also picked up from the dollar store. And this little red canister I used for some chocolate chips, and that I picked up from TJ Maxx last year. And then these little Christmas trees were from the 99-cent store. And then this was also from the 99-cent store, but I did buy it last year, and I used that to put some of the boys' favorite chocolate inside, which of course are Hershey's peanut butter cups. And then I just readjusted everything. And of course, what's a hot cocoa station without some cookies? And the last thing I did was add this red Christmas tree to the back to just give it a little pop, and we are all done. This is the final look, and I love it. I love the pops of red, I love the lights in the back, and just how everything came together so perfectly. The boys loved it when they saw it the next morning, and not gonna lie, I'm a bit obsessed with it also. Let me know down below what you guys think of it, and do you guys do a hot cocoa station, or do you guys do a coffee station? I'd love to know what you guys do in your home. Let me know down below, and again, thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate all of the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.